for mind well, and you talk so he appreciate you.
So the main point is the autopsy and the DNA. That's the major thing that I want.
Now, Yoruba, you talk, you say you go talk. All the previous interviews where you do, you carry English do. You come here, you say that Yoruba, you go speak. If I hear English word for your mouth, problem go there. So,
autopsy àti DNA test.
You say, but waiting you want that autopsy result and the DNA test result.
And more than me will suspect anybody.
And now in the use this opportunity to tell the whole world, say nobody say in the suspect anybody, but him.
You know, say he believes say na kill they kill him. But you don't know who kill him. Now this investigation, the outcome of the investigation will reveal how he died and who they responsible for him picking death.
Yes.
Is it too much to ask?
No.
No, is it no? Make una help me. Is it too much to ask?
No, sir.
Not too much, ba?
Yes, sir.
Now, mo gbogbo nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yẹn mo wá rí wípé ó ti ń ní àwọn ibi tí ọkàn mi ò ti balẹ̀ mọ́ torí pé nígbà tí a lọ sí court fún request tí a ṣe àwọn tó yẹ kí ó wà nínú ìpàdé yẹn wọn ò sí ńbẹ̀.
He said with all waiting they happen, he come to make I no congress of mind again because when they enter court to go do what they supposed to do, but people we supposed to do there, we go make go give them some kind of say make him mind they rest. Say okay, at least the thing they go as it they go, they know they there.
No support.
No support.
You see, it's just like one case we will do.